What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a venomized imposter from Among Us. Let's get started in the center of our page with the top edge of the visor. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a curve going up, and we'll just bend that down on the right side. Now we're going to add that hook on the left side of the visor, starting up here, curve out and then up, and we'll bend that back in, coming in and then down. Now we'll work our way around the side. Just going to taper this up and out, curve out, and then back in towards the bottom of the visor. Let's go over towards the right side, round this out, going out, and then bending that in towards the same height, and then we'll close off the bottom. Starting back on the left, we'll come down, and then up. Let's move up to the top of the visor on the right side and draw on the top of the head. We're going to start up here, just going to curve this up, round up the head, and then just come down along the side. Now we're going to add a strand of symbiote on the left side. Starting out here, curve out, and hook that in, round up the end. I'm just going to pull that back in towards the side of the body, coming down, and then in. Let's round up the side of the body, go out, and then come straight down. Now we're going to add another strand. Come down, and then out, round up the end, and then pull that back in towards the side. And we'll continue that curve, coming down, and then bending that in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go to the bottom of the visor on the right side, draw a short curve, going out and then down. And we'll draw on the top edge of the mouth. I'm going to curve across, and then bend that up. And then from here, we're just going to draw on the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down, round up the mouth, and just pull that out towards the right, just lining this up along the top. And we'll curve the right side of the body, coming down, and then in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting back on the left, come down, and then up. Go to the right side, we'll do the same thing, and leave a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up, curve the body going out, and then up. Go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's move back over towards the left and add the backpack. Starting from the top, curve out and then down, come down towards the bottom, go out and then up, and we'll close off the outside. I'm just going to bend this out and then in. Let's add some cartilage along the inside of the mouth. Starting from the top, go out and then back in. Now I'm going to draw on the top row of teeth. Starting from the top corner of the mouth, step in, curve down and in, and taper that back up. And we'll just repeat this all the way in towards the corner of the mouth. And I'll move down and draw on the bottom row of teeth. From the bottom corner, step in, curve up, and then in. And then again, just taper that down. And we're just going to repeat this all the way in towards the inside. Let's draw the top edge of the tongue in behind the top row of teeth. We're going to start on the inside, curve up and across, go in between. I'm just going to start to bend that down on the outside, curve out and then down. And we'll bend the tongue coming back up and in. Just going to round this out and then hook that in. Let's bring the tongue coming back in towards the side of the body. Starting from the top, just going to taper this so it gets wider as you come in and then up. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black up to this tooth. So we're going to start up here, fill that in, and then just work our way towards the inside. Now we're going to move down and draw a simple logo in the center of the body. Right in the middle, start with a curve, coming down and then up. And then on the left side, we're going to curve this out and then down. Go over towards the right. We're just going to curve this out towards the side of the body. Let's go back over towards the left, curve out, and then up towards the left side. Now from here we're going to step down, just going to follow that same curve, coming in, curve up, and in. Let's line this up on the right, go out, and then down. Let's do that one more time. Starting up here, curve out, and then down, go out, and then up. Now I'm just going to step down, curve down, and then in, curve up, and then towards the side. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down, step down, curve up, and in. And then from the bottom, come down and in, leaving a gap in the center. Connect the bottom of the curve, going up and then down. Let's add a shadow along the top of the backpack. Starting on the left, come down and then in towards the side of the body. I'm also going to add a shadow across the bottom of the visor. Starting on the top left, come down, round this out, and then pull that up. And that's pretty much it. There's our Venomized imposter from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.